Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity. I'm the path of least resistance.
How you guys doing? How you guys doing?
Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream.
Love your beer, man. I'm trying to copy you. You just don't cut it for 2 years, 1.5 years, something like that. I hope that's much a stream from TLA with the Dodge Daddy. Yeah, man. Andrew Goldstein. Fishy fish, yeah, fishy fish. Something's fishy, guys. Something's fishy. Hello, man. Are you bullish or bearish? I wanna be bullish, but I'm not quite there yet. I wanna be bullish, I'm not quite there yet. Hi there, how's life? Sasha is in the chat. I see a lot of people from TA Fans Club is in the chat. Nice, nice, nice. Good evening, TLA. Thank you very much for daily live streams. I appreciate you coming to my streams, man. Good evening, TLA. Good evening, Stanimar Abdallah, the beauty, Sasha, Junk, all the good guys. Ni hao. Same here. Mega bullish. Why is it fishy? It's going up, but you know there is a certain pattern that I'm gonna show you. It is kind of fishy, you know. It's kind of fishy. It looks nice, but you know it's kind of fishy. It's kind of fishy. Anyways, I thought we should start with the Dodge Daddy, you know, because just get a little nice pump going in the start of the stream. See how we're gonna work this out. Nice pump, but I think we play the same sandbox like Benjamin. I haven't checked what Benjamin has been saying lately, you know. Fast, man, do it. When are we taking a trade live with you? I don't know, man. In you know, when it bottom out, we'll see. I don't post my trades, man. I don't post my trades. So let's showcase what's actually happening up here. I'm gonna showcase. This was very important line of. Let's see on the daily chart. Yeah. So this was very important line of resistance, right? Once, twice, and when we right now we're breaking. Not are we only breaking the resistance line, we are also getting above the 20 moving average. So it looks very nice, like it looks super nice. But you know, then something's fishy going on. I can't actually put a finger on it, you know, but something's fishy going on. Something fishy, well fishy. We dip soon, maybe. So I think now, guys, if we close above the 20 moving average, like it can be good, but you know we can always get this big red candle that what happened over here? What happened? We can always get the big red candle, just push us right back below the 20 moving average, right? So this is not over, even though if we. What am I pressing, guys? What am I pressing? So even though if we close above the 20 moving average up here, if we close above the red line, we can still fall down, guys. So I'm thinking like, ETC and ICP were pumped today. Yeah, I saw ETC that it's up like 15% or something like that. More. How much is 30% is ETC? I don't know how much ICP is up. Tila, how's the volume? Could you check the RSI trend line on the daily from the top? Yeah, we're gonna check out everything. Stocks fishy too. Yeah, we're gonna check stocks as well, guys. Let's see volume up here. There is no volume on the daily, so it's not breaking some very important, right? DJ AV Style, welcome to TA Fans Club, man. I appreciate you joining the club, join membership. Enjoy your green name, and you know now you can spam the emojis. By the way, guys, I'm gonna make 3 new emojis. Not fishy at all. It's a breakout of major resistance from literally a year ago. Watch and see the breakout continue. We'll see. I hope that, but you know, volume did not change much during the pump. Let's see on the smaller time frames. We had a nice, you know, the volume was actually rising up here with the pump, so that's nice. That's confirming that the pump is actually real, but it's hitting some kind of resistance here. it's hitting some, no test of breakout. We neither test the previous low of 33k. We dipped to 20k before the ramp. I'll see. So what I want to show you guys, and why I think this is fishy, guys, why I think this is fishy. Let's see if you can watch on some other chart. Let's see here. Let's do it here because, you know, it's nice clean chart. So, you know, everybody knows this bottom line down here, right? The bottom line is pretty much legit, right? Everybody agrees that the bottom line is legit, right? I have no complaints on the bottom line, right? I have no complaints on the bottom line. If somebody's complaining on the bottom line, support line, you know, write in the chat now or forever hold your peace. So if there is no complaints on the bottom line, we'll continue over here. Now, a lot of people have been drawing this as a channel, right? And, you know, just looking at it as a channel, this should actually continue towards the upside. But I don't think it's a channel, guys. I don't think it's a channel. Like, it's a different way you can draw this, but I don't think it's a channel. It might be rising wedge, guys. It might be rising wedge. So that's why I'm saying that it might be some kind of rising wedge, guys. It might be some kind of rising. Unfortunately, it might be some kind of rising wedge. Nope, line looks good. Yeah, bottom line I think like so. It's only the resistance line. Is it a rising wedge or the channel, guys? You can argue whether this is a channel or a rising wedge. Depends on how you draw it, of course. What do you guys think? So same thing on CryptoJab. What did CryptoJab say, man? Yeah. Schrodinger's pattern. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? Do you think it's a channel or do you think it's a rising wedge? You know, this you know, this is the rising wedge, and you know, rising wedge channel, rising wedge channel. What you guys think? What's more likely to be? Evening, little vacation break. How's the moon today? Well, you know, the moon did its job. You know, we started going up, I think. We'll see. Hello, TL and everyone. Rising wedge. Yeah, you think it's rising wedge, Master Misanthrope? Not a channel. Properly hyped a channel. CryptoJet said it's rising wedge. 7% chance to break down. Yeah, it looks like a rising wedge. I mean, I think it's a legit, you know, support, resistance, a legit line. Support, legit line. It looks like a rising wedge to me, guys. It looks like a rising wedge. That's why I'm saying I'm a little bit on the fence over here right now when we are breaking certain moving averages on the upside. I'm a little on the fence because even though we are for a break on the 4 hour, we are breaking 200 moving average. That's really nice. On the daily, we are breaking the 20 moving average. That's really nice. Let's see the volume. But the volume on the daily, there is none. On the 4 hour, there has been very nice volume, climbing volume on the 4 hour. And you know, there is some kind of breakout up here happening with the volume right now. And I don't know. It is kind of tricky. It is kind of tricky, and you know, it is 4 hourly. It is 4 hour. Let's see 1 hourly how it looks on 1 hourly. It looks legit, guys. It looks like, I mean, sure. You could say it's a channel. It's a channel. It's gonna break the upside. If it breaks upside, you know, guys. If this, you know, rising wedge breaks to the upside, if it breaks the upside, it's gonna be very bullish because rising channels break the downside. So if we break it to the upside, that's a very bullish signal. It's very bullish signal. It's better not to be rising wedge. Hello from Germany. Hello Swam. How you doing? Not that well since you know, the game. In any case, we should hold the 33k support, 33k down here. Yeah, maybe we're gonna see that. Too short term, need overall view for true downtrend channel. Yeah, I'm thinking, you know, even though this is like 1 hourly or something like that, right? And we might fall down. We might fall down here like back to 33 or something like that, give or take. It is just too short term. It is. I think it's just too short term. But could you look at the RSI trend line on the daily? The tops form some kind of resistance. Okay, man. Let's check your trend line. the daily. Well, they got a big, you know, yeah, they do. But then you can also be saying this is creating lower lows, and right now we are creating higher lows. So this is going into some kind of triangle, and right now it needs to actually figure out what's gonna do, because right now the bottom is also forming, you know. Okay, here it actually broke, but you know, you can say something like this, right? Technically, if you can draw like right now, yeah. But we are hitting some kind of resistance right now. But I'm very close to being super bullish, right? Short now, come back to 30k and then long again. That's how it should work. Nihal has the crystal ball, guys. Nihal has the crystal ball. Jesse, you're dreaming. England football. Thanks, TLA. You're welcome, man. All the way from the 64k top. Yeah, it looks like it's hitting some kind of resistance on the RSI. It does actually look like it's hitting some kind of resistance on the RSI, because this isn't actually perfect, but you know, we take what we get. We take what we get. Something like this over here, right? So right now we might be hitting some kind of resistance on the, but something's fishy going on, guys. Something's fishy. Like I should be a lot more bullish than I am. Unfortunately, I'm not. Now there has been some kind of channels down here. We drew this channel last time, right? It was something like this, I think. If I remember correctly, it went something like this, right? And then yeah, give or take, something like this. Yeah. Maybe. And then we had this channel, right? Let's draw it on the bottom side over here. I think on the bottom side is no. Does this channel only work on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? But this one is not. It's only on Binance that's actually connecting it, right? No, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It doesn't want to connect it. Why doesn't it want to connect, man? But Binance it works. Binance it works. Right, 1, 2, 3, yeah. But Binance it works. So Binance is perfect. Binance is perfect. Okay, let's use Binance then. Let's use Binance then and try to draw these channels a little bit differently, right? Because you know the channels that we have. I would like this to be upper channel, but it's not. You know, this is the upper channel, right? But it's a little bit different. If you use these wicks up, you know, we are hitting some kind of, you know, maybe you could say that we are hitting some kind of resistance on the channel right over here. If you're looking at the bottom part as a measurement, right? Previously we've been saying this, you know, channel goes all the way up here, right? Give or take. Because it is corresponding really nicely, this upper channel with this upper part and this top over here and the bottom, right? Also this bottom down here. And you look at it, maybe it is, but you know, there are other options. There are other options. This one also corresponds with the bottoms, right, and top over here, you know. So there is that as well. So which one is it, guys? Which one is it? Maybe the channels are actually should be drawn a little differently. Let's remove everything and draw it something like over here. Give or take. What you guys think? What you guys think? Yeah, that's a channel. Why is stock RSI so high? DJ Ava styling, yeah. I work for the top banks in the world. We think Bitcoin is going to 50k in 3 weeks. Kevin? JP, we think Bitcoin is going But what kind of crystal ball does your bank have that and everybody else doesn't? Like that's what I want to know. What kind of crystal ball does your bank have to know that we are going to 50k in 3 weeks? China ban Bitcoin every week. Yeah. The level of concentration high. That's the way to draw good lines. The level of concentration high. That's the way. Yeah, DJ Avi, thanks for joining. TA, enjoy your nice name and the number. The more points you have, the more concentration you have, like the bigger probability to have it actually. The term fake pump is meaningless just to make those who missed out feel better. Maybe. If the bank is bullish, it's def a trap. Good, well said, man. Well said. You know, if the banks are bullish, we might actually be in for a. To be fair, my bank says it's going to 50k too today. Kalji, a lot of guys work in the bank. What's up, guys? What's up? If you're saying it's going to 50k, how? Tell me how. You're welcome, TL. Just a way to show my appreciation. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate your appreciation. It's good times, guys. Good times. You know, we're gonna chill and try to figure out the best kind of. But yeah, this top since night is corresponds with and then you know, this breakout actually already happened. Technically, it already happened. It looks good. It looks good. Now the only way this didn't happen is if we use you know, some kind of a tops up here. But let's see if you can get better channels from the weekly. Let's see. You know, sometimes you know, you don't get very good channels because you're looking at it's hard to pinpoint or exact where the channels should be. But let's see this if you can get anything from the weekly. Like this seems to be nice. That seems to be nice, but there is a better one up here, right? Something like this. Okay, so let's assume this is a trend line, long-term trend line. It just doesn't fit the agenda. It just doesn't fit anything. Maybe. Maybe it's rising. Maybe it's rising wedge. What up, moon adopter? My face working for banks can never give a super chat. Because the extension of bull run, try look for channels on the 3 day. Because the extension of the bull run. Okay, we're gonna check the 3 day. Thanks for the $5, man. Thanks for the $5. Appreciate the money. Say hello to your bank. Tell them to check my channel if they need some TI. Amigo XSA, please check daily divergence on RSI. There is no daily divergence on the RSI. Daily divergence on the RSI. There is no daily divergence on the RSI, guys. There is no daily divergence. Hey man, you said it will go down and it goes up, but when you say it goes up, it goes down. Lucky I didn't follow your advice and I actually made money. Good thinking, man, because I cannot remember that I actually said it's gonna go down. Because the extension of the bull run on the 3 day chart. Why is using 3 day? Why is everybody using 3 day? Extension of the bull run. Yeah, 3 daily. On 3 day you have you know, a divergence, right? on 3 day. But that's on 3 day, like. And I don't like this channel. I have to say it, I am not quite fan of the channel because it's not actually, like, it is actually hitting some kind of bottoms over here. So this might actually be some kind of, but yes, this channel is there. You know, this would have been some kind of better channel. But if this is a channel, you know, why it's stopping up there, right? Why it's stopping up there? It's terrible channel. On the weekly, it looks shabby on the weekly as well. Maybe you should do it on the monthly and find a better channel. Do you use both wicks and candle close bodies for trend lines? No, only wicks, always only wicks. For trend lines, In short of ETC at 35k BTC range in loss, but won't go up much. These MF whales go on this. I have absolutely no clue what you said there, man. Do you think it will drop to 24k? Doesn't look like it right now. Intro again, please, mate. I don't think we even had the intro, so yeah, sure. Bam. The late adopter. Yeah, why not? When is new moon? New moon already happened, guys. New moon already happened. Let's see the moon phases. Moon phases. You see here, guys, we got the new moon. The new moon is up. What's happening up here, guys? What's happening? What's happening, guys? What's happening? Huh? Already the prophecy is coming true, guys. Already the prophecy is coming true. Who said the volume never did anything for... sorry, the moon never did anything for you guys? Like the moon, we got the moon. Hello PNL, welcome back to the chat, Descending parallel channel daily, 10 May, 15 June, broke the retest, hence the pump. Where's the moon? Here's the moon, guys, here's the moon. The moon. So sweet. Let's check it out. Let's see over here. Brand saying descending parallel channel date 10th May 15th June. Okay. 10th May.
I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a...
Oh, I see it. Very nice. Descending parallel channel. Okay, parallel.
Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game.
Maybe. Why not? I'll give it a chance. Hey TLI, it's gang now. It's going now. It's going now. What do you say? Yes, that's it. Change in tune. Still 2-3 daily candles. Who else wants to hear the late adopter? Kids got alligator blood. Keep checking. I haven't actually no clue what it means. Dodge Daddy sends bad vibes. Nah. Dodge Daddy is good, man. We got our moon phases, guys. We got a new moon down, you know. We got a moon, and you know, you can TLI, where is full moon? There we go. Red is imminent. Can we do like a weather person? 50% chance of FOMO. There is always 50% chance of FOMO. There's always 15% chance of FOMO. Yeah, but the trend lines looks nice. Or what are we gonna call them? Trend lines or the maybe these should actually be. We don't need this definitely anymore. Give or take. Maybe. I sat down with Ted from the KJB, or should I say the late adopter, and beat him. And I beat him. I got no clue what that means, man. It will work better on 3 day. It will work better on 3 day. The channels or what? Carl, there should be some kind of a sort function for. Please check the versions on NRSI from 30 May to 24 June. 30 May. 30 May. That's over here to 24 June. Down here. So this is the variance up here, okay? Well, you cannot use on the daily. You cannot use 30 May. You cannot use this or here and this up here, and you know, draw it the variance. You draw it between the nearest points, right? So this isn't actually working out. So you know, there has been, of course, you know, a divergence all the way through here, right? Divergence and stuff like that, you know, and even here is a divergence, and then over here it actually even there is the divergence. So it's been divergence all the way, but you know, every single divergence actually already played out. But we are losing momentum on the downside, so you know, might actually go a little bit up. I'm not Cal, I'm not quite sure what you mean by the 3-day. What works better on the 3-day, by the way? Let's see up here, because the extensions of bull run, try look for channels on the 3-day. Channels on the 3-day extension of the bull run. Nah, it just doesn't spank my my monkey the right way. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It looks crazy weird to me. Maybe this is the bottom. I like this line a lot, guys. I know it's not a wick down there, but it's the red wick, and I like the red wick a lot better. Hi, bro. Hi, Paulo. How you doing, man? How you doing? Like, it was like. What I miss, what's fishy? The upward move is fishy. This is retail for sure. They are still in candlestick forming. Got to watch for those large pumps and dumps for market maker manipulation. It's from the movie Rinders. You sound like Teddy. Kids got alligator blood. Never seen the movie, man. Sorry about that. So many bears in this chat. Are you bullish? This looks fishy. Is that Norwegian expression? Not quite sure which one. Is it dumping a little? We'll see. Next 1 hour BTC will be dropping, guys. We'll see that. Wait, I just want to find in the chat. Speaking of FOMO, it will be better on 3-day. Carl said it will work better on 3-day. Carl again says. The parallel channels, my parallel channels, like on the 3-day. Not this one though. It just looks terrible. The only parallel chance you got to, do I see it like on 3 hour? It just makes no sense. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Stuck between 30 and 40k for the next few months. Hope not, son. Everyone not trusting this 26% move to the upside when there's a bull trap just because I missed opportunity. the very least we are about to bounce off 36 and retest 34, but we want to, yeah, you know, when you're at 35 and you're talking about 36, like it's nothing, like it can happen in a minute. Check 1 hour. This resistance holds us 5, 6, 12, 19, 20 June. Can you please say my name in Danish? Hello YouTube, can you say my name Danish? I don't know what you want to say. Hello YouTube, please say my name Danish. Don't get it, I don't get it. Why not daily videos anymore? They're not that popular and I got a lot of other stuff to do. We're going to get a pullback. We're gonna get a pullback. We're gonna get a pullback. So let's see a little bit over here right now. Okay, let's see over here. What are we gonna check out? We're gonna check out daily. We're gonna pop the moving averages on the daily, right? Not the moon phases, moving averages, right? And you know, it is nice that we are actually above the 20 moving average up here. So you know, I would like to close above 20 moving average. It will give a little bit more bullishness. That's gonna be good, right? You watching the Euros? Yeah, I've been watching, you know, but right now it's Sweden versus Ukraine or something like that, and you know, I was watching the England versus Germany, and I think both teams were terrible, you know, but the England pulled a longer straw. But England was actually better than Germany, I think. And you know, towards the end, you saw that Germany had nothing. They were just shooting the ball towards the goal without any strategy or tactic at all. Like they had nothing. They had zero. So it is good that Germany is out, because you know England's better. But I saw, you know, the Croatia versus Spain. Spain has very good movement, but they're lacking a little bit. They're lacking a little bit. Yesterday the games were crazy. Yeah. Dollar still climbing, bearish for Bitcoin. Are you bullish or what? So let's just turn off the music. Whatever. I cannot hear myself think. It's good that we are above the 20 moving average, and I hope that stays. Let's see how it looks on 4 hour. 4 hour we are above all the moving averages right now. So maybe we're gonna wait for these moving averages to come up to the price and then push us up. But like we said earlier today, this may be some kind of a rising wedge, guys. Maybe some kind of rising wedge, and you know, we should take that seriously, because it may be some kind of rising wedge. So you know, until it actually breaks out to the upside or downside, we just have to see how this is going to play out, because right now it is actually following this very nice trend line, you know, and if it breaks to the upside, all good and nice. If it breaks the downside, you know, we might have some kind of dip. How can I send you a picture for the parallel channel on 3-day? Go to the trading view, and then there's you know, when you click the little button here, it says image URL. You just copy that URL and you can come here and paste it in the chat, like this, you know. And when I click that, you know, it's gonna open the window with the image. So just make the channels, click the little camera button up next to the polish, and just copy it and send to the chat. Ascending triangle. No, this is ascending wedge. Angera, how dare you? Angera said something. I'm Belgian. Think we will lose on Friday though. No. I think Belgium is good. I think Belgium. Fishy looks like a fake out. We're gonna see how it actually looks at. But yeah, we have a rising edge. It is good that it is above all moving averages on the 4 hourly. It is good, but right now it is very critical moment for Bitcoin. It's a very critical moment, so we are not quite sure whether it's going to go up or going to go down. It's a very critical moment. Like, it looks good, but you never know. You never know. It's good that it's above the 20 moving average, right? But this 50 moving average is going to be like test of time. If we get above the 50 moving average, I'm going to be super bullish right off the bat. Rising wedge is a real possibility. First time I agree with you in like over 2 weeks. Good that somebody is actually agreeing with me. Italy best team now. I haven't seen Italy play, so I'm gonna be excited by seeing Italy. I think tomorrow or something like that. I don't know when they play next time. Rising wedge is a real possibility. So weekly we still gotta go, you know, got a long way to go to hit, but you know, this is the first time we actually hit the 50 moving average. Previous week 50 moving average down to when we went to 28,000. That's the first time we actually hit on the weekly. Let's see what Ethereum do. Maybe Ethereum can tell us a little better. You can see Ethereum on the weekly, we're going right back to the resistance on the 20 moving average right over here. So we see how that's gonna play out. Let's see how the daily is looking. Daily is looking like it's just barely above the 20 moving average. Let's zoom in over here and see if there is the same kind of rising wedge, or what is it over here on the. Yeah, well, you can also use this one up here, right? You can say this is option, or this is an option, right? Can be rising wedge, but I mean, you just have 2 hits, right? And this third hit is it's terrible. Maybe it's already breaking the downside, but I don't think so. It just looks weird. It just looks weird to me. It looks weird to me. Let's see if maybe it's something like this over here, right? Maybe. Then maybe it's some kind of move to upside. So maybe already on Ethereum right now, already breaking to the downside. Maybe already. Is there other ways to draw this? Yeah, there's other ways to draw this, but you know, it is hitting, like breaking everything. Everything sane is being broken. Maybe, but even that is actually breaking. Are we thinking that that Ethereum is actually breaking the channel to the downside, guys? I was worried about volume too. 25 to 50, 25 or 50k for a slow. Hard to say, hard to say. Why is volume so low? Double bottom on BTC. I know what I read. Where is Ron Patreon? I think Poland will tell the cup home. Maybe it will. Bearish diversion, RSI, haven't seen it. Haven't seen the version. Over here. I think it looks like Ethereum is already breaking to the downside. Now, if Ethereum is breaking to the downside, then there is probability that, you know, Bitcoin will also break to the downside. But, you know, Bitcoin is a little bit more difficult to draw, and it's not yet there. You know, it's very hard to just say like, okay, this is the line. It's not that. That's not the line. This is the line. We know the exact line where we cannot go down, right? And then we have this, you know. We're gonna see. What's hiding in your beer? BTC? I hope so. MC going to rocket with GME soon. Don't miss out to put back into cheap crypto. The hedge have to liquidate. Please, Kesima coin. I don't know what Kesima coin is, but Bityoung, thanks for joining. I don't know when you joined, but thanks for joining. But I don't know what Kesima coin is, man. There's no such thing as Kesima coin, man. Let's see. That's for our daily. Let's see on the daily over here. Let's go to Ethereum on the daily. Is it hitting some kind of resistance up here? No, it broke actually resistance, but it is a rising wedge, so you know, hard to say. Any opinion on that big boss? Vincent, what did Vincent say? MC. Okay, let's check out AMC, guys. MC stonks. Let's go to the daily. Let's clear up whatever I did over here. Yeah, this looks like some kind of continuation pattern. You see, previously it went to 20, went down to 5. I think this is 75% correction, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 75% correction. Had some 5% correction, then went up, down. It went in some kind of triangle over here. very predictable triangle, give or take. It's you know, depends on where this is actually hitting it. Like something like this over here. Went up, went down for retest, bounce off really hard. I think it's over here, something like this, yeah. Something, so there was some kind of triangle. It bounced off really hard. Right now it's going to a smaller triangle up here. It's going to a smaller triangle. It's not this one, it's something like this over here, I think. And for that, I think you gotta go to the 4 hourly, maybe even the day 1 hourly. Let's see how this is gonna play out. Yeah, it's gonna play out pretty soon. It's gonna continue pretty soon, I think. Give or take, right? Give or take. So right now it might actually continue pretty soon. Let's see how the moving average. It should be above. Yeah, it's just looking. It's looking like a pennant in an uptrend, right? It's looking like a pennant, and it's just gonna continue towards the upside. So IMC definitely looks like it's gonna continue more. Right now, it looks like a pennant over here. Let's see how the other indicators are actually playing out. It's sitting in the middle here at some 40 levels. It's 1 hourly. Let's go to the daily. Daily is going to tell us a lot more. Daily has actually bearish cross on the MACD. So daily has bearish cross on the MACD. Right now we are getting down to some kind of 60 levels, but we are still above the 56. So, you know, that's nice. And let's see, we don't need this one down here. Let's see the weekly. Let's see the weekly. Weekly hit 89, right now sitting at 87, so it's still uptrend, getting this small pullback. Maybe we are a little bit extended from the 10 moving average right now, but we can still continue pumping up. We can still continue pumping up. I would be looking right now. I would be looking on AMC. I would be looking on this smaller triangle up here and see where it's going to break out towards the upside or downside. But right now it looks like it says more bullish. You know, it's more bullish towards the upside than downside. KISS IMAC coin is Saudi Arabia government coin. KISS IMAC coin. Well, it's not a trading view, so I cannot actually check it out. That game. Why don't people like the SafeMoon? I'm not buying. Isn't SafeMoon like 2021 coin or something like that? Time to go short for AMC. Depends. And let's see GME. What's happening in GME? Because GME was actually doing nice until it no longer did nice. Let's clean up everything, because I thought it was actually going to in some kind of triangle over here. It broke out, right, went down, but you know, it might actually be some kind of I think this should be looked on the weekly time frame. Weekly still fall above all the moving averages. It's still why is this so hard to do on the stonks, man? It's still an option, though. It's still an option, but it's getting this bearish cross up here, just like over here. But this is weekly. Maybe it's working on the monthly. Maybe it's working on the monthly. It broke last week to right now getting a little bit pullback. Weekly, daily. I think as long as we hold above the 50 moving average on the GameStop, I think it's gonna be fine. I think GameStop is gonna be fine. Boss, we need some music to set the mood. Why do we need the mood, man? What are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do here? Okay, let's go back. There you go. Smash the like, guys. Michael Altcoin is doing all he can. There is a word in which spelled please, as you can use it as you want something done. Sorry. The Turkey government answered the Saudi government token is Yarak chain. Holy smokes, except for Tesla, all these EV companies have zero path to profitability and battery supply constraints are nuts. I haven't checked actually how this actually is working out, you know, but you know, when there is a will, there is a way, you know, so people will actually find out. But that is just tiny stuff. Cough. Junk. Good night, bro. Night ni hao. Thanks for stopping by. This breakout might be fake. Maybe. It just looks a little bit fishy. It looks a little bit fishy. I'm not quite sure why, but it looks a little bit fishy for me. For my taste. It's the 1 hourly. This is the 4 hourly. A little bit down. Like if you get above this up here tomorrow, it's gonna be nice. But you know, we must always, you know, keep option for 50% up, 50% down. Bearish divergence, my G, on one BTC 1 hour. We're gonna dump. 1 hour bearish divergence. 1 hour. Where do you see 1 hour bearish divergence? I don't see the divergence, man. I don't see the divergence. This over here. Then we should probably look at 4 hourly. At 4 hourly says no divergence, man. Until I can do day trading series. I don't do day trading, and you know, if you don't follow anybody for day trading, I don't know anybody actually who's that good at JG. Yo TLA, I'm late. What do you think of Bitcoin? I think it's a little bit fishy. I think we have this kind of rising wedge up here. It looks good though. It looks good. It's above 200 moving average on the 4 hourly. It's above the 20 moving average on the daily. You know, we got our moon phases. We got a moon phases going on right now. You can see here that we got the new moon, and you know, we are going up. So everything looks nice and set up, but something is just like a little bit off, and I cannot put my finger on what it is. You know, I can't put the finger on what it is. Beside the rising wedge, like there's not much they can say about it. Beside the rising wedge, there is not much they can say. Okay, maybe turn off everything up here. And we are breaking all the resistance. We are breaking all the resistances really nicely right now. Like all of this down here is broken. You can see down here. All of this is, so it looks nice. It looks very good, guys. It looks very good. Not gonna lie, it looks very good. This isn't broken, but all of these are broken, right? And right now we are hitting. So these resistance downside broken. And right now, what we are actually trying to break. Might be something up here, right there, and then you got this up here, and you got the other ones, you know, because everything else is broken. I think, yeah, I think this is the one actually. I think this is the one actually up here. Yeah, that might be 36,671. I think that's giving us right now resistance. On the way up, but we are breaking it. Like we have broken so much with this move towards the upside. So much has been broken, right? So you know, if it starts going a little bit more higher up here, like it's gonna be very difficult to say that we are not bullish. It's gonna be, I'm just saying it, if we start going a little bit more up, it's gonna be very difficult to say that we are not bullish, because we are taking above the 20 moving average again, you know, and it's not often we do that. Like over here it was very nice times, and over here it looks very good, but I'm just waiting for a little bit more. Something done right for once, Fishy. Something doing right for once, Fishy. It's like the whales are trying so hard to either get a major pump or dump, but no one is taking the bait. Yeah, I think people have learned, like, you know, diamond hands. 36.6 is a 0.618 on Fibonacci. Guys, I'm willing to do Fibonacci. But, you know, what kind of move? Retracement, it's not retracement towards the upside, right? 0.26. This is 0.5, but that's from this one over here, not from this one. So I should probably put it up here. Zero 3 bear flag. I don't know. But if it's, you know, retracement from the, you know, lows, 0306, I'm not quite sure which one you mean, man. 0618 on the fib. Kit, which one, which time frame and for where the bottom to the top? I haven't seen any divergence, by the way. I haven't seen any divergence. We are so used to being manipulated. You want me to send the trading view analysis? Yeah, mate. Yeah, man. Trading view. Yeah, where's the trading view? Did I miss it? Did I miss it? Call, check out. And Jar agree. What are you agreeing with? For some reason, when I hear Fibonacci, I want pasta. I will just write the way up and down, but during the search for an answer. Bob Pete, I haven't seen you in the chat before, man. Thanks for saying hello. I like seeing green names. I like seeing it. This search for answers, man. I tell I can check Solana. Not right now. Not that interested. We don't even know what Bitcoin is gonna do, man. We don't even know what Bitcoin is gonna do. Trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out. Let's see over here with the Fibonacci extension. Down 0.32, 0.38, 0.38. Didn't actually break 0.38. Doesn't matter how you put, doesn't matter how you put. Hello late adapter, hello Mo Ali. Have you seen the trading view chart I sent? No, I haven't. Where did you send the trading view chart, man? I'm trying to see in the chat, but I'm not seeing anything in the chat. Can you do it again? Cal, do it again, Cal. Cal J. Trading view chart in the chat. Post the trading view chart in the chat, man. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, guys, we are waiting for Cal J to post the trading view chart because I think I missed it. So, you know, we're gonna see that. I always miss the daytime streams, but pick them up later. That's good, man. That's good. I've sent it load. I've sent it load. I don't know what that means. You sent it load. I've keep posting it. Wait. I think the are links disabled? I don't know. I think links are disabled. Just send me, you know, when you get the link, right? When you get the link and there is a tradingview.com, you know, just send me the last part. Remove the tradingview.com. Well, copy everything and remove the tradingview.com and just send me the last part of the link, right? Send me the last part of the link because I think the links are disabled by, you know, on the chat. So there we go. There we go. Thank you, man. Thank you. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay, bottom. Well, this isn't the bottom though. And this over here might be the bottom. This might be the bottom. What am I looking at here? RSI. Yeah, this is the weekly time frame. RSI is pretty high. Yeah, we didn't reach that level of RSI. Well, we did reach, you know, this peak and this peak over here is without institutional investors, right? So these peaks that happen that go parabolic, they usually happen when you don't, when you have just a lot of random people, retail, just buying like crazy until it blows up. But you see here, these previous peaks, previous highs are in the range where we are have actually topped up here. Bottom. I'm hoping you're right, man, but you know, it might be in some kind of bottom on the downside as well, right? You know, it might be some kind of bottom, because we haven't actually have it over here. Bottom, 17 December, 9th March, 14 July. So when is the next time? When is the next time? 14 June. 14 June. See that? These moves last few days all seems really fishy. Joy the Farco. I don't trust it. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, like, I've seen charts, I've seen bullishness, and I've seen bearishness, but something is a little bit off. I don't know if it's the enthusiasm on the YouTube and on Twitter and stuff like that, but you know, something is a little bit off. Interesting analysis, yeah. Crypto Newton is also enjoyable. Maybe if you check the hash rate of Bitcoin, it's very, very low. That's because, you know, the China ban on the hash rate and stuff like that, you know, mining. Ascending broadening wedge can also be possible on the 1 hourly time frame. It can. Ascending broadening wedge. There is no way. And then you know. But even the ascending broadening wedge, they are reversal patterns, so you know they break to the downside, right? If I'm not mistaken, right? Ascending broadening wedge. Let's just see. Let's just look some images of what people are. Continuation pattern. I think they're reversal patterns, right? I think they're how do you trade ascending bullish now? Case formation, price objective. That pattern piece is bearish. This type of pattern appears on the peaks. It is a bearish reversal pattern. Well, it isn't actually the peak. The price is support line definitely validates. The break on the support line definitely validates the pattern. Well, of course, support or the resistance line. The price objective is determined by the lowest point which the ascending broadening wedge was formed. Yeah, so down to the start. Often the steeper the ascending broadening wedge trend lines, the faster the product objective is reached. Sounds in 80% this exit is bearish. In 75% of cases, the ascending broadening wedge is the reversal pattern. In 60% of the cases, an ascending broadening wedge price objective is achieved when the support line is broken. But of course, in 21% when the price makes a pullback in resistance on the ascending broadening wedge support line. Yeah, so to downside. Yeah, go to downside. It's gonna be bad if you go to downside. If you break the support, it goes down. It goes down if you break. What does astrology tell us about past? Astrology is good, man. Astrology is on the point. You know, the moon phases, it's on the point. We are following the move. See here, we got the new moon, guys. We got the new moon, and right now you can see here already starting already as soon as the moon popped up, bam bam, we're going up, guys. We're going up. You know what's up, you know what's up. So although it does sound fishy, although it is a little bit off, you know, the moon phases are gonna lift us higher, guys. The moon phases are gonna lift us higher. On the chart, it will mean top is high of rollover. Top is high of rollover. I have absolutely no clue what you said there, man. But I see what you mean by the tops, but you know, the parallel lines and stuff that you actually talked about earlier, I have absolutely no clue where that is. Anyways, thanks for the chart, man. I appreciate all the charts. What are your thoughts about a Gaussian channel in the context where we are in the bull or bear market? I have actually no clue what Gaussian channel is. I think I actually Googled this before, so I just might as well Google it again. Oh, it's a channel with you know, standard deviation towards the up and downs or something like that. Maybe it's an indicator. Yeah, it's an indicator. Bullish, bearish, something like that. I don't know how to you know, read this channel, but you know, I could tell you that we are bearish without looking at it. It's a nice channel. It looks like a snake. Over here, you actually looks like you are bullish over here, even though the price is going down. So it is quite laggy. I don't like it. I don't like it. New moon, yeah. How high? Later up, you should join CoinKids for a live stream tag team. I don't. Yeah, but CoinKids is not doing live stream. That's the problem. Play Dodge Daddy for us. Astrology has spoken. Yeah, we played Dodge Daddy several times now. Rollover is a reversal. Do you think it's worth paying attention to Bitfinex short? Too many people are watching it, so I don't think so. Too many people are watching the moon phase now. It's going to become unreal. But no. Moon phase is written in the stone, man. Go to the weekly Gration channel. Okay, weekly Gration channels. What? Let's go up here. What? But then I understand, but you know, we are sitting on the channel right now, just like over here. You can already see it. We are sitting on the channel. We have been sitting on the channel, and right now we are starting to sit on the channel. You know, it's not a good sign. Sitting on the channel after a pump, right? Just by looking at this question channel, right? When you start hitting the channel, it's not a good sign, right? You can see here going up and start hitting the channel, not a good sign. And you can see here we are going up and start hitting a channel. It's not a good sign, man. So Gaussian channel 5 day, guys. You know, new moon for the win. So by looking at this Gaussian channel, not a good sign hitting the channel. Bro, what's fishy about this, bro? Tell us. It's rising wedge, it's fishy. Also the lack of some kind of volume is fishy. Let's go look at a one hourly chart, and let's pop the volume. Like, volume is kind of non-existent. Like over here there was volume. This was nice, right? This over here. This over here was nice, but then it wasn't nice anymore. This over here, like the volume is going down, you know, excitement is dying out. That's what I'm trying to say. Excitement is dying out, interest is dying out. Although there was a little bit volume picked up here, like overall volume is going down. So the interest in the price is going down. Hi Tila. How did you get into TA? Well, it was 2017. I was losing money, and everybody was talking about, you know, oh, you know, it's going up, it's going down. It's, you know, the pattern, the this and that, you know. So I went to the chart, you know, and I was like, okay, guys, let's try this. Okay, let's put this line over here, and then we're gonna put this line down here, and then and we are down here, right? And then I suddenly like, oh, look at that, you know. It goes out to the patterns. So if you want to get into like technical analysis, like start drawing patterns on the chart, doesn't matter what kind of patterns, and you're gonna see that the price is actually respecting the support and the resistance line. And if you don't get convinced by that, like nothing's gonna convince you. People coming in expecting a fish pattern on the charts. How are we gonna draw that, man? It's a bubbly fish. It's some kind of jellyfish. I also see that we have no good volume while it was pumping. There was not volume to make it what it did. I don't know. It kind of looks unimpressive. The moon looks unimpressive. 200k Bitcoin by the end of the year. That's right, JG. We just need the new moon to last until the end of the year. That's what we need. People who need money for holidays or trust more dump coming. I don't think so. What are moving energies? I don't know what moving energies, moving averages, average, moving average. That's these lines. These are moving averages, energies, nothing. Exactly, mom. The desperate whale trying to get a pump, but no one's buying it. Tether bomb is the last resort. You think, like, there was some kind of volume over here, right? There was some kind of volume, but this is a volume on the downside, right? There was volume over here, but after I was expecting more volume after we broke this this very important live resistance over here, but there is no volume down here. There is literally no volume on this pump today. There is literally no volume in the pump today. Can you hear me? Crypto plutonium, can we hear you? I don't know. Yeah, sure we can hear you, man. Bullish momentum, bullish energies. Maybe. So, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't like the rising wedge. That's what I'm saying. I don't like the this song. What is this song? I miss it. This song, exactly this song. This is called Under the Sunset by Harris Heller. Under the Sunset by Harris Heller. Under the Sunset by Harris Heller. Fish farts. Rising wedge. Could this be a bull trap? I don't know if you're gonna call you know, rising wedge a bull trap or something like that, but you know, mate, you gotta get your specs on. What kind of specs are you talking about? I just turned in. How could you describe the whole stream in one sentence? Fishy fish. I don't know how to describe. We got something, but we are not sure if that something is gonna play out. But the bullish move looks fishy. Yeah, the bullish move looks fishy, and we are trying to examine it. Cheers to the Under the Sunset. What do you think about the Ethereum's movement? Ethereum, like we just looked at Ethereum. It looks like it's like breaking some kind of wedge. Maybe it's already breaking down some kind of wedge. Maybe you can see here the Ethereum has also the wedge, right, guys? Ethereum has also the wedge. Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's this down here. It really doesn't matter. It looks like it's a wedge. It's wedge either way how you draw this. This is already played out, so you know. It looks like the rising wedge is already, you know, failing on Ethereum. That ending a diagonal triangle, 1 hour BTC. Birgit, money went into altcoin. That's why. Yeah, I can see that money are in the altcoins. Ethereum Classic up 30% today, guys. Ethereum Classic up 30% today. Look at his pump. Not only that, like this is broken down here. That got broken before. Then you had like all kind of like there is no way you can draw any kind of trend line right now that's not being broken. You can see here, like all the trend lines are being broken by this right over here right now on Ethereum Classic, and this is very bullish. So that's why I'm actually bullish for BTC, because right now this is very bullish move. This is actually breaking the downtrend, guys. This is Ethereum Classic breaking the downtrend. Can Ethereum lead the dump? Well, it can lead anything. Thank you, late adopter. You're amazing. Crypto, you're welcome. I have absolutely no clue why, but thanks, man. There is only one leader. Bitcoin. So shall I close my positions? I don't know what your positions are, man. You do with your money what you want to do with your money. Tesla is going to reduce their Q2 profits by manipulating the price again. maybe. Let's see by the ICP, guys. You know, people have been talking about ICP, the pump and stuff like that, right? Let's see. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at this pump, guys. Insane. 100% pump, guys. 100% pump. This definitely broke the downtrend. Let's see over here. Yeah, I don't think there is any way of denying the breakout. Look at the volume. But you know, price has been going up. The volume has been going up steadily, right? You know, hit some kind of lob here, and right now it's returning back again. So ICP doing nice. Palinter is sexy. Look at the excellent, please. Matic man, it's not going to last. You think this is not going to last? Look at the volume, man. Look at the volume. You know, the rising volume, the falling price. Above all moving averages. It's not above all the moving averages. It's above 20 moving average, which is actually very nice on the daily. Let's see 4 hourly. 4 hourly is still below 200 moving average, but you know, it's been down for so long. It's been down for so long. The only people in here are the ones that sold 3 days ago at the bottom and now wish it goes lower. Maybe that's it, man. Maybe that's it. Maybe people are hoping people are hoping for 24k and they just stopped at 13k. So if you didn't get in at 30k, you know, yeah, that's my maybe people are hoping for. Hi from Greece, my friend. Anything for Tron? The same thing for everything else. But okay, how's Tron doing? %3 up, man. I don't know where I did this. What's the today? Tuesday? Yeah, I'm not gonna call it right now. VeChain is a hidden gem. Do you understand Norwegian? Yeah. What about Harmon? I don't know. Now everybody, as soon as I start looking at like altcoins, everybody's like, "Hey, check my altcoin, man." Too many altcoins, guys. Too many altcoins. Nothing's really happening. BTC. I'm just really interested whether the BTC is gonna break out or not. Watch how many positive news came out the last few days. Could I please ask for the name of this song since you're in the mood? This song is called New Groove. New Groove. Was that Harris Heller or Harris Heller? What was that? Harris Heller. Mate, when capitulation? I think we had capitulation without people realizing. What's Fishy? The rising wedge is Fishy, guys. The rising wedge is Fishy. What's time now? Cheeseman, you're welcome. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna run it off there, but let's just say what we wanna say on Bitcoin. I basically did this stream because of this rising wedge, guys. Because of the rising wedge. That's it. Like, take it however you want, you know. Take it however you want. But you know, there is the rising wedge. You know, I don't see a lot of volume coming in yet, so I think it's either waiting to break out to the upside or downside over here. The volume, you know, it did confirm this last part over here with the volume. You know, it is nice, but you know, I think it's just wait for breakout. It is above 200 moving average, and on the daily it's about 20 moving average, and we have the new moon and everything, guys. So technically we should be bullish. But you know, the fact that we broke this, the fact that we broke, where is it? This, the fact that we broke this resistance, right? At what's that? That was at 34.7 sometime. We broke the resistance, and then you know the volume was kind of lackluster over here. It kind of, but you can see here also the volume was kind of missing. The volume was missing. On the downside, you know, there came the volume, you know, but you know, to the upside there is no volume. There is volume is lacking. I think volume is lacking. I think we need some kind of volume to start the price. Even here, you know, the volume is going down while the price is going up here. So I don't know, I won't say too much about volume, but you know, it should be looking good, but I think we need to wait at least another day, like, to see just how bullish or bearish we are. Also right now hitting the resistance, you know, this resistance up here. So keep watching this line, keep watching this second line up here at 36.7, 36.6, something like that. See if we can actually break that or not, right? But if we break this line as well, I'm gonna be full on bull from tomorrow. If we break the 36.6, 36.7 or something like that, you know, we're gonna have a party time, good party time. Look at the more same price level earlier this year is the same. Maybe it is, maybe it is. I don't know where. When you say same price level earlier this year, what time? What time? The candle is not closed yet, so volume is not correct. Yeah, that might be true as well. That might be true as well. Bro, is the rising wedge forming, and would this bring us down? Yeah, if the rising wedge is actually gonna play out, you know, but if it breaks to the upside, I'm gonna be super bullish. If it breaks to the downside, like, it was fishy, it looks fishy. But if it breaks to the upside, like, February, daily. The volume was here actually technically going down. Right now the volume is going down while the price is going up, which is actually weak. You wanna volume to go up with the price, and it's not actually doing that. Let's see if we can you know, use the moving area. See, the volume was falling down here, up. Right now it was going up over here. Right now falling down again. I don't know, man. I don't know. PLL, $5. Thanks for $5, PLL. I appreciate it. Always money is nice. Welcome. It's not, man. It's the same. It's not, man. It's the same. If you are just thinking about the horizontal amount of level that right now we are having here in February as well. Where is the February? Here in February as well. Yeah, sure, it's the same. It's the same amount of level, but we are looking for the changes, not how much, you know, money is being. Have a good night, everyone. Thanks for the stream. Bye bye. Thanks, man. Same price level in February. Look at a volume. February. Oh, over here. Ah, over here. This over here, this big thing over here, this is the Elon Musk pump, guys. This is the Elon Musk pump that pushed us up. So you're saying when we are breaking towards the upside without the volume, but you know, volume came up here. This big breakout. That's where the volume came here. So yeah, sure, we can crawl towards the upside up here. And then once we break the, you know, up here line, you know, maybe the volume is gonna pop in over here. That might be it, right? But even over here, you know, analyzing volume is hard, man. $5. RSI is saying something to us. RSI is not saying anything, man. RSI is not saying anything, man. This is the daily RSI. Let's clean up everything. There was divergence because the price over here was, if you really zoom out, you know, sorry, zoom in. If you really zoom in, you'll see that the price over here is actually going down, but RSI was going up. So this was the, you know, RSI divergence, bullish RSI divergence, some kind of bottom, and we went up right over here. But in the rest of the part over here, there is no divergence up here, guys. There is no divergence up here. It's just following. It's just doing exactly as it should be doing. On the weekly time frame, I can't see anything right down here. No, there is no divergence neither on the weekly or anything like that. Right on the 4-hourly. There is no divergence on 4-hourly and 1-hourly. Maybe something like this over here, but it's too far, it's too big, so I should actually go up. Echo Keys, 549 bucks. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money. Appreciate the money. Love you, Echo. Love you, Echo. So right now I don't see anything on the error side that's actually should say that we should do anything else that what we are actually doing right now. I'm repeating myself like a broken record. It's really nice that we are above the 20 moving average. It's really nice that we are above all the moving averages on the 4-hourly time frame, right? That's really nice. It's really nice that on the daily time frame that we are breaking a certain resistance towards the upside. It's really nice, right? And I'm saying, like, right now we are hitting this resistance up here right now at 36, right? And I'm already bullish. I'm just saying, just watch out for, you know, for the move downside. Just watch out. Just be careful, you know. We're hitting some kind of resistance. It looks very bullish. Everybody thinks it's gonna go to the moon, right? You know, but you know, that's when stuff can turn around and bite you in the you know, ass. So just be careful. But if I'm telling you, if we continue going up from over here, above this line, above the 50 moving average, you know, start to climb some, you know, at one point I'm gonna be super bullish, and that's gonna be it. But right now I think, like, you know, just take it easy. Just take it easy. Whatever you do, take it easy. You know, you don't have to, you know, do whatever you're doing. You know, you can take it easy. We can see here. And you know, come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have this this channel or this wedge actually play out. Yeah, tomorrow on the daily time, you know, tomorrow 9:30 Central European time, we're gonna have a daily Bitcoin video. We do this every single day, exactly at 9:30 Central European time. So do come and join us on 9:30 Central European time, Bitcoin Daily, and we'll see if this wedge actually played out or not, to the upside or downside. So we're gonna see that. Relax music, nature sounds. Relax music. When it will be a good entry points to short? Well, technically speaking, if you wanna short, now should be the time to short. I'm not saying that you should short, but I'm saying that now should be the time to short, because you are hitting the resistance on the top. Like, you broke the problem is that you broke the 20 moving average. You broke the 20 moving average, but you are hitting the resistance. So this might be some kind of you know, break to the downside. But you are also on this rising wedge and stuff like that. So I would say, if we start breaking up from over here, if you are having the short, you know, close it. But you know, right now it might actually be yeah, technically, if we start breaking this wedge, the good time, as soon as we start breaking this wedge on the downside, that might actually be a good short, because you know, you're breaking the downside. Now there is of course the 10 and 20 moving average right below us on the 4-hourly that we need to break as well, and how long we're gonna have this going down, that might, you know, but right now, you know, it's not time for long. I think it's still time, maybe time for shorting, but you know, you do what you want to do with your money and stuff like that. But I think tomorrow I'm gonna be super bullish. If tomorrow you come to the chat and the first song is Dodge Daddy, I'm gonna be super bullish. Check Crypto, he's always bullish as F. Yeah, he is. I'm not watching bears. Coinskid also said 24 is possible. He's bullish. If he didn't close above 9 EMA, I would have gone down. It will go down. If he didn't close above 9 EMA. Time frame, man. Time frame important. What up? I just joined live stream. Could you give a small summary for BTC? We are in rising wedge. The moon phase is pushing us up. We are going up with a low volume. We are still above certain moving, certain support lines. We are breaking certain support. We are also breaking 20 moving average on the daily. All the moving averages on the 4-hourly. Technically, we should be bullish, but because of the rising wedge, lack of the volume and stuff like that, we are kind of smelling something fishy going on. So we are not quite sure if it is real breakout or not. So I think we gotta wait till tomorrow to actually see if it's, you know, gonna pan out. Hoping for Dodge. Yeah, tomorrow if I start the stream with the Dodge Daddy, I'm super bullish. I just got in. Can you quick recap what's fishy about the breakout? I just did a quick recap. Check it out, guys. Thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for just stopping by. I'm gonna go do something else. I don't know what. Anyways, guys, was nice. Damn, that was perfect. Thanks for that. Yeah. Okay, guys, see you around. Come, stop by tomorrow, 9:30 Central European. Also on the way out, you know, smash the like button. Check the link down below. There is a Tank Analysis crash course. If you want to learn the Tank Analysis, you can do that. TLI, you read half my messages. I said above the last minute bump before the week. TLI, you read half my message. I said above the last minute bump before the week. Going down. If you didn't close above 9 AM, I will happily drink the tears of those that didn't buy at the bottom. Tony, I'm trying to read your manipulation, so the new week starts above the 9 AM. Okay, new week starts above 9 AM. Okay, now I have to pop the EMA and I have to push the 9. Is this already at 9? Tell me so it's already at 9. Moving average. Okay, let's see. Where is the 9 moving average? Manipulation of the new week starts above 9 AM. I don't get it. How is gonna start above 9 AM? Weekly of 9 AM is all the way up here at 39,000. Tony K. Patreon here. Tony. Not that one. On daily. We closed above about 9 EMA. You think 9 EMA is very important? This looks like it's getting crushed all the time. Thanks for your great analysis. Good night. See you tomorrow. Sleep well. Sleep well, man. Before stop up arrow on, we get no pump while sleeping. That was the pint. Exactly, that was the point. Oh, okay. We'll see. Yeah, I get it, that's the point. Yeah. Okay, guys, I don't want to drag this too much right now, and you know, keep on looking at the wedge. Keep on looking where it's gonna break up, because I think it's important. Also, the moving averages are important, right? Look for, I think on the daily chart, look for if we start going down below the 20 moving average. That's gonna be important as well. There are so many lines, man. Two other more. You don't want to fall back below 2 other moving average on the 4 hour. We'll see that. You're beautiful. I'll see the beautiful beer more. Yeah. Bye bye, man. Bye. Take care, guys. Take care. Let's play. You know what? Let's play. You know what? Where'd it go? There we go, guys. There we go. Enjoy the song. Enjoy the song. Come to the chat here. I will explain. Sure, man. Post. You know what you're gonna do, Tony? Post the trading view in the Telegram chat. Post the trading view link, trading screenshots. See you around, guys. See you around.
I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash.